हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज 8 अगस्त 2021 को स्टेनो टाइपिस्ट पोस्ट कोर्स 786 का एग्ज़ाम हुआ है इवनिंग सेशन में। तो उसकी ही ये मैं आंसर की पूरा सॉल्व पेपर मैं आपके सामने लेकर आई हूँ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से आगे तक हम बात करेंगे और जानेंगे कि आपके कितने की मार्क्स बन रहे हैं इसमें। सो लेट्स बिगिन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच इज़ नॉट अ परमानेंट विंड? So the right answer is D, monsoon wind. It is a seasonal wind. Next, which local wind blows in Spain? So this is Mistral. Option A, Mistral is the right answer. Question 3, which isopleth denotes equal temperature? So isotherms denote equal temperature. Option D will be correct. Fourth, which is the busiest ocean? So it is Atlantic Ocean. Option C will be correct for you. Fifth, which is the highest peak of Antarctica? So it is Vinson Massif. So option A will be correct. Sixth, Mississippi, Missouri is a river. B option will be correct. Seventh, Lake Baikal is located in which country? It is in Russia. Option A will be correct. So मैं आपको बता दूं, इस चैनल पर हिमाचल प्रदेश से रिलेटेड जितने भी एग्जाम्स होते हैं उनकी अपडेट सबसे पहले आपको इसी चैनल पर मिलती है। लेटेस्ट जॉब्स और रिक्रूटमेंट्स की बात यहीं पे सबसे पहले होती है। हम बहुत सारी क्लासेस भी चलाते हैं अलग अलग एग्जाम्स के लिए, तो इसलिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ यूनियन टेरिटरीज इन इंडिया इज? सो इट इज़ 8. ऑप्शन बी विल बी करेक्ट। नाइन्थ है, काराकोरम माउंटेन पास इज लोकेटेड इन विच स्टेट? यूटी। तो इसमें सही आंसर इन ऑप्शंस में से जम्मू कश्मीर होगा, लेकिन अगर लद्दाख भी दिया होता तो लद्दाख भी आपका सही आंसर होना था, जो कि यूटी बन चुका है अब। टेंथ इज, विच रिवर इज कॉल्ड एज सॉरो ऑफ बिहार? सो इट इज ऑप्शन सी, कोसी। नेक्स्ट, विच रिवर प्रोजेक्ट इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड ऑन कृष्णा रिवर? इट इज नागार्जुना सागर प्रोजेक्ट। ऑप्शन ए विल बी करेक्ट। 12th, Kaveri Delta mangrove is located in which Indian state? It is in Tamil Nadu. Option D will be correct. Then 13th question, which is a plantation crop? So coffee, rubber, tea, all of them are plantation crops, and option D will be correct for you. Bailadila in Chhattisgarh is famous for which mineral? So iron. A option will be correct. 15th, which is known as regur soil? So it is black soil. It is commonly known as regur soil also. 16th, thorium is derived from monazite. Option D will be correct. 17th, Numaligarh oil refinery is located in which Indian state? It is in Assam. Option A will be correct. 18th, the headquarters of Eastern Railway Zone is located at which place? So it is in Kolkata. Option D will be right for you. 19th, which part of Indian constitution deals with the government at state level? So it will be part 6. Option C will be right. 20th, which schedule of Indian constitution deals with municipalities? So it will be 12th schedule, which is not mentioned in the comments in the options. So option D will be right for this. 21st, which writ deals with the act of stopping something? So it is prohibition writ. Option A will be correct. 22nd, directive principles of state policy are? These are non-justiciable. Option B will be correct. 23rd, who was the first acting president of India? So it was V.V. Giri. After the death of Zakir Hussain president, he was the acting president. 24th, which vice president of India died in office? So it was Krishan Kant. Option C will be correct. 25th, financial emergency is imposed under which article of Indian Constitution? It is imposed under Article 360. Option C will be correct. Next is, which is real executive authority? So out of these options, actually the right answer will be Council of Ministers with the Prime Minister. But Council of Ministers is not mentioned here, only Prime Minister is mentioned. So maybe the Prime Minister will be right, otherwise Council of Ministers along with the Prime Minister, that is the executive authority. 27th is, the term of office of members of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. It is a permanent house of the parliament and does not completely dissolve. 28th, joint session of parliament is presided over by the Lok Sabha speaker. Option D will be correct. 29th, the first chief justice of India was H.J. Kenia. Option D will be correct. 30th, who administers the oath to the governor? It is chief justice of the concerned state's high court. Option D. Then 31st, Panchayati Raj institutions have 3 tiers. Option B will be correct. 32nd, which is a constitutional body? All of these are constitutional bodies. Option D will be correct for this. 33rd, which is the highest law officer in the country? It is Attorney General. Option A. 34th, a closed economy is one which does not trade with other countries. Option A will be correct. 35th, effective demand depends upon supply price, option D. 36th, perfect competition means large number of buyers and sellers, option B will be right. 37th, inflation is a situation characterized by too much money chasing too few goods, option A is correct for this. 38th, net national product of a country is GNP minus depreciation, option C. Next, SLR stands for statutory liquidity ratio, option A. 40th, the report of Vijay Kelkar committee relates to tax reforms, option B is correct. 41st, commercialization of agriculture implies production of crops for sale, option C. 42nd, Securities and Exchange Board, that means of India is a regulatory body, option B will be correct for this. 43rd, according to socialism, who is the greatest enemy of society? So I have a doubt in this question. If you know the answer, kindly comment in the comment box below. 44th, AIDS virus has single stranded RNA, option A. Next, the green manure is obtained from decomposing green legume plants and also domestic vegetable waste. 46, the most productive ecosystem in the biosphere is a desert, option A. 47th, human beings belong to which category? They are omnivorous, option A will be correct. 48th, pregnant women usually become deficient in calcium and iron, option C. 49th, dehydration in human body is caused due to the deficiency of water, option D will be correct. 50th, at very high altitude the red blood corpuscles in the human body will decrease in number, option D is correct. 51st, blood pressure is high in the ventricles. 52nd, to reduce tooth decay most toothpaste contain fluoride, option B. 53rd, bile is secreted by liver, option B will be correct. 54th, water is used in car radiator because of its high specific heat capacity, option C is going to be correct. Shaving mirror is obviously a concave mirror, option B. Echo is produced due to reflection of sound, option A is correct here. 57th, when a piece of stone is immersed in water, it displaces water of equal mass, option C is going to be correct. 58th, the fuse in our domestic electric circuit melts when there is a high rise in current, option B will be correct. 59th, who developed hydrogen bomb? So it was Edward Teller, option C. Which acid is present in lemon? So obviously it is citric acid, option D is right here. The ore of aluminium is bauxite, option B. Which non-metal is found in liquid state? So it is bromine, which is not there in the options. So this is the right answer. 63rd, which fiber is used for making bristles of brushes? It is nylon, option B. 64th, which country is set to join as a sixth member of Five Eyes intelligence network? So it is Japan, option B. 65th, India's first pollinator park has been recently established in which state? So it is there in Uttarakhand, option D. 66th, which state has recently announced that it will include the history of Sikh gurus in school curriculum? So it is Uttar Pradesh, option C. 67th, which municipal corporation has been recently selected as the best performing civil body in the country? So it is Visakhapatnam. The first spokesperson of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh who passed away recently was Madhav Govind Vaidya, option A. 69th, Collab is a new music video application launched recently by which major company? So option B, Facebook will be correct. 70, the presidential years which was in news recently is the memoir of which Indian president? It's of Pranab Mukherjee, option B. What was the theme of International Mountain Day 2020? So it was mountain diversity, option A. 72nd, which country is selected as the host of World Economic Forum 2021 annual meeting? So it is option B, Singapore. I'll be soon making video part 2 of this video, so stay tuned for that. Also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that part. 73rd, Bashan Char Island, which was in news recently, are located in which country? So these are in Bangladesh, option C will be correct. Or टू क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा सिंगापुर. Next question. Total geographical area of Himachal Pradesh is, it is 55673 square kilometer, but it is not mentioned in the options, so none of this will be the right answer. 85th. Famous Mani Mahesh Yatra is performed in which district of Himachal? It is in Chamba. Option A will be right. 86th. Masroor rock cut temples is located in which district of Himachal? It is in Kangra. Option D. Then 87th. Bhaba Valley is located in which district? It is in Kinnaur. Option C. Roadridge Art Gallery, it is in Naggar. Option C. So Murari Lake, so it is in Lahaul Spiti, I guess. And then 90th. Skodi Fair is held in Mandi district. 91st का आंसर क्वेश्चन है शाली माउंटेन पीक, सो ऑप्शन जो रही राइट है इसका वो है ऑप्शन बी शिमला. 92nd. गिरी इज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ विच रिवर? सो इट इज अ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ यमुना. ऑप्शन बी. 93rd. फेमस पर्सनैलिटी किंकरी देवी बिलोंग टू विच डिस्ट्रिक्ट? शी बिलोंग टू सिरमौर डिस्ट्रिक्ट. 93 का ऑप्शन होगा सही जो है वो ए. 94th. विच चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ हिमाचल प्रदेश फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर? सो इट वॉज डॉक्टर वाई एस परमार. ऑप्शन बी विल बी करेक्ट. 95th. First 5-year plan was started in 1951. Option B will be correct. 96th. Which is the largest administrative division of Himachal Pradesh? It is Mandi. Option C. 97th. Which was the founder of Hindur princely state? It was Ajay Chand. Option A. 98th. The capital of Dhami princely state was located at which place? It was in Halog. Option A. Then Alampur was founded in the year? Kindly mention it in the comments if you know the answer. 100th. Sopani Fort is located at which place in Himachal? It is in Kalpa. None of the options is correct here. 101st question. Gurkha commander Amar Singh Thapa attacked Kana Fort in the year 1805 AD. Option B will be correct. Taedong 1 hydroelectric power project is constructed on which river? It is on Satluj. Option B will be correct. Question 103. APG University is located in Shimla. Option A will be correct. Then 104. Which is the correct spelling? So it is option B. TYRANNY Trinity. 105th का ऑप्शन सही जो है वो रहेगा ऑप्शन ए एक्सॉर्बिटेंट EXORBITANT. 106 का रहेगा ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट पर्टिनेशियस PERTINACIOUS. 107 का सही ऑप्शन रहेगा ऑप्शन सी ऑब्सीन OBSCENE. 108 का एसिमिलेट ASSIMILATE. 109. The teacher warned him against that type of lapse. Option D will be correct. It's 9 o'clock already and I'm still at breakfast. Option D will be correct. 111. What I know of him, I barely trust him. After what I know of him, I barely trust him. 112. He passed his matriculation examination in 1992. Option C. And then 113. We must submit to authority. Option D will be correct. Question 114. The art of cutting trees and bushes into ornamental shapes, it is topiary. Option D. 115. A person living permanently in a certain place, it is a domicile. Option C. 116. One desirous of getting money, it is avaricious. Option A. 117. Indifference to pleasure or pain, it is stoicism. Option B. 118. One who does not know how to save money, he is a spendthrift. Option D. Then comes the opposites. Beautiful का opposite ugly. Option A. Intrude का withdraw. Then dearth का abundance और diverge का converge. उसके बाद हिंदी वर्ड्स करेक्ट हम छांटेंगे इसमें से. तो शक्ति जो सही है वो है बीच वाला बी शक्ति. 125 का भ्रातृभाव. ऑप्शन ए विल बी करेक्ट. देन 126 का ऑप्शन सी विघ्न विल बी करेक्ट. 127 का ऑप्शन डी परिचय, दिस विल बी करेक्ट. 128 का पूर्ण, ऑप्शन बी विल बी करेक्ट. और उसके बाद अगर हम बात करें 129th की, तो मॉर्टगेज इसका आंसर होगा बंधक, ऑप्शन ए। तो ये हमने फर्स्ट पार्ट डिस्कस किया है। सेकंड पार्ट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग। जय हिंद, जय हिमाचल।